Good afternoon, everybody present here. I am journalist at Fairgaze, and today I am in an online interview. Honored to be in the gracious presence of Ms. Minal Anand, founder and CEO at Gurukul, a graduate in business administration from the School of Management at Boston University. She had worked at companies like Franklin Templeton, Citigroup to gain relevant experience on business planning, fundraising, enterprise design and structuring, and talent management. A very warm welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I want you to throw some light on certain questions, and with your permission, I would like to start with the first one. May I?
Yeah, of course, please.
Okay. So, what's your say on the collaboration with Eureka?
So, we're thrilled to be collaborating with IIT Bombay for the Eureka Junior 2020 Olympiad contest. And, I think it's a great way for students to assess their capabilities, for them to assess their own potential, and also to, stand out amongst their peers. So I think, it's only beneficial. There's no negative that comes out of this. And, it gives students, a way to really understand where they rank in terms of all the other students across India. And, I feel that it also, is a value add when it comes to their college applications if they have to apply abroad, because colleges really love seeing that students take initiatives and participate in such competitions and Olympiads. And also it's a big self-esteem builder for students, I believe, because if you end up scoring well and doing well, it really motivates the student and helps them believe that they're of a certain intellect and at par with various peers across the country.
And the second question is, what criteria do you use to decide which service to invest in?
So, of course, the biggest criteria is what works for our target audience, which are our students. And we want whatever activity we do, we want it to be beneficial for our target audience and for being the students. Besides that, of course, then the people that we partner with, it depends on the credibility of our partners. It also depends on the efficacy of the activity and how efficient it's going to be to actually cater to the target audience that I was talking about, which in this case are the students. And then, of course, we want to, see the reach of the activity, that with our partners, what could actually be the reach of the activity. And the great thing about Eureka 2020 is that we target students from class 6 to 12 across India. So it's a massive reach and it's a pan-India reach. So that's also a great, big criteria for us to see how many students we're going to be able to reach. So all these ththings combined together actually help us make that decision.
Many congratulations for your collaboration with Eureka.
Thank you.
And the third question is, what message you have for young students for the entrepreneurship contest starting soon?
I would first tell all the students that please register. Like I said before, please participate, please register. There is no negative, there is no drawback to taking part in this contest, because if you do well, there's a huge upside because you can send your results to colleges. You can stand out amongst your peers. It's a great matter of pride for not only yourself, but your family and your school and your teachers. And so there's really no negative. And like I said before, you'll be able to assess your own potential and capabilities. And if you don't end up doing so well, you'll still be able to see, what your weak points are, what you need more help with, and, what you need to work on. So there's really no negative. So I would tell all the young students out there and entrepreneurs and everyone that it's, that register. There's no harm.
Thank you, ma'am, for your time and for sharing your fruitful words. Thank you so much for joining and connecting with us.
Of course, my pleasure.
I would request my audience to kindly take out time and do register. As ma'am said, there is no harm. So do register in the event. And I would request my audience to kindly take out some time and do like, comment and share our video on our YouTube channel. Thank you, ma'am.